Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today actually I am going to do an unbox video. This model is actually Asus Zenbook. You can see all the sides. It weighs only 0.99 kgs. It cost online 58,950. Let's open and see guys. See what's inside. We have the laptop. It is one of the lighter one. Looks really nice. Actually, you can see. Manual. User manuals. And this laptop, since it is small one, it doesn't have a LAN port, I think. So that's why they are giving a USB LAN connector. This USB cable can be connected to the laptop. LAN connection. Charger cable. Adapter. And there's a beautiful pouch inside, guys, for the laptop. These are things you are finding inside. See, we'll place this laptop inside the pouch. It looks nice, very comfortable, it's really thin and weightless. While traveling, we can carry this easily. Asus Zenbook 30 UX331FAL EG003T Intel Core i5 8th generation with 8GB RAM with 512GB SSD internal memory. SSD means it will be faster solid state drive. It's faster than HDD, like hard disk drive. It will be faster. SSDs are faster, lighter and more durable and uses very less energy. SSD is a solid state drive, is electronic storage space. HDD are like it's cheaper and you get more storage for lesser price in HDD. But in SSD it will be using less energy and it will be faster and lighter and more durable. It has a webcam available. It weighs almost 0.99 kg with a metal body. Let's switch on the power. Let's switch on, guys. Actually, it is already charged for 3 hours and all the basic settings have been done already. It has an LED display with Intel UHD graphic processor. It has an inbuilt 8GB RAM and expandable up to 16GB, and display resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. It has a full HD LED backlight anti-glare display, guys. There is no touch screen. It has an illuminated keyboard, you can see here. Its operating system type is 64-bit with Windows 10. Color is deep dyed blue color, which has Bluetooth also. It looks very nice. Actually it is very can hold in your hand very easily. USB port, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and memory card slot. On the other side we have HDMI port here, and there is a charger port, and there is a USB port, one more USB port, and type C port also. There's a battery indicator. There's a fingerprint scanner here. You can set the fingerprint lock also. The keyboard brightness you can adjust by pressing the function key and F3. See, if you press function key plus F4, the brightness will increase. Function plus F3, brightness goes down. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel and add your comments on this video, and please like the video